So I was helping a friend clear out a TV and radio repair shop that closed in the area here recently, and saved a few things that were going out into the trash. Thought I'd make interesting videos and try to repair them. A lot of stuff was left behind over the years, or not picked up by customers, or they decided not to make the repair and just abandoned it. So I got these, I guess first of all, these books, RCA Receiving Tube Manuals, Substitution book, a little black and white TV from Symphonic, this speaker here that they called, I think it's just a trade name, Poly Planner, and all it is a speaker. It's kind of designed for outdoor environments, marine. The cone is made out of basically like white cooler styrofoam, so we'll see how that speaker works and sounds. This is a little GE clock radio from the 80s that doesn't power up. I got a couple of mystery magnetic tapes that will tie into the Ampex reel-to-reel that I picked up from the same location. I got a head demagnetizer for the open reel machines, a FM stereo tuner that I guess you could add on to cars back in the days when they only had AM radios, and another AM radio there in the center from AMC Rambler in the 60s, and AM only, and then I think that's a Kraco, is it? Yeah, Kraco auto reverse 2-shaft that actually came out of a garage I was cleaning up here, this one here that I'm in now. Also got a GE clock radio with an unusual, it's kind of digital, but looks like it's incandescent lit display. We'll figure out what's going on with that. It's not really working. A Sony CD player that came out of the repair shop that has some kind of mechanical issue. The guy got started on it, did some disassembly, but I guess stopped the repair. The real haul for me out of there was this test cart, which has two Sencor test instruments on it. One is a oscilloscope, the SC61, which is an oscilloscope with some additional features for TV repair, and a digital readout that'll give you volts peak to peak and frequency, which is kind of nice. And to go along with that, there's this test pattern, test signal generator that works well. It's the VA62A, and videos have been done on this on YouTube already, but I have one now, which I'm glad to have, and be interested in getting the chip so that it'll do, there's a mod you can do so that the IF will go down into the 30 megahertz range, 21 megahertz range for working on old sets like this one from the 40s. This is an Ampex 2100 reel-to-reel that I was hoping to get going. It is in pretty good condition for its age. Don't know what's wrong with it yet, but the heads look like they're still in pretty good condition, and the pinch rollers, believe it or not, seem to be okay too. It's a nice machine. It's got a auto reverse, 3-speed, and it's a consumer format, consumer grade machine, but a pretty nice one. Your controls over here: stereo, mono, record playback, record level meters, and also I guess treble bass, your speed, EQ controls for the tape speed and volume. So it has a line level out. I was hoping to use this to recover some audio from some open reel tapes that I have. This is an Onkyo cassette player that I got from the same location. That's a work in progress. It has trouble with the deck on the right. The pinch roller is not pushing up against the tape enough to slow it down, so the speed is going really fast on the one side, but the player on the left works fine. Also got this Knight KG600B tube tester. Checks for emissions and gassy tubes. Has a documentation here. Tried it a few times. It seems to work, but there might be some resistors out of spec, so that'll be something to look into. It seems to test most tubes good, maybe a little too good. We'll see. Go in there and see if anything's really out of spec. But nice small tester. Seems to work well otherwise. So that's about it for now on the TV shop repair haul. Thanks for watching.